Welcome to All About Mars Surface, the home of authentic NASA updates, rare Mars images, and untold mysteries of the Red Planet. Today, we'll take you deep into one of the most fascinating updates from NASA's Curiosity rover on Sol 3034. So, let's begin. In this video on Mars Sol 3034, NASA's Curiosity rover added yet another stunning capture to its already breathtaking collection of Martian images. This latest photograph, transmitted back to Earth, showcases the rover standing proudly in front of the green-hue pediment, a remarkable rock structure that has long captured the attention of planetary scientists. Now, if you look carefully at the middle distance on the right side of this panorama, you can also spot another striking feature known as Rafael Navarro Mountain. This landform is named after Rafael Navarro Gonzalez, a Mexican astrobiologist whose contributions played a vital role in our understanding of life's building blocks on Mars. But what makes this image so special isn't just the landscape. It's the story it tells about where Curiosity is heading. According to NASA, the rover is now navigating towards Maria Gordon Notch, a U-shaped geological opening that lies just behind the rover, slightly to the left. This destination promises new opportunities for scientific exploration, potentially offering clues about the Red Planet's watery past. To fully appreciate these visuals, let's take a step back and understand why Curiosity's journey matters. Since its landing in 2012, this rover has been a relentless explorer, climbing slopes, crossing rocky plains, and drilling into Martian soil. Each new waypoint, like green-hue pediment or Maria Gordon Notch, represents not just a geological curiosity, but also a chance to piece together Mars's ancient history. But what makes this image so special isn't just the landscape. It's the story it tells about where Curiosity is heading. According to NASA, the rover is now navigating towards Maria Gordon Notch, a U-shaped geological opening that lies just behind the rover, slightly to the left. This destination promises new opportunities for scientific exploration, potentially offering clues about the Red Planet's watery past. To fully appreciate these visuals, let's take a step back and understand why Curiosity's journey matters. Since its landing in 2012, this rover has been a relentless explorer, climbing slopes, crossing rocky plains, and drilling into Martian soil. Each new waypoint, like green-hue pediment or Maria Gordon Notch, represents not just a geological curiosity, but also a chance to piece together Mars's ancient history. Green-hue pediment, for instance, is more than just a dramatic plateau. It's believed to be made up of sandstone layers that record the influence of wind, water, and time across billions of years. Imagine standing there, seeing rock formations that have been shaped by processes we can only speculate about. Processes that may have involved flowing rivers or massive dust storms long before humans ever dreamed of space travel. As Curiosity captures these sites, it doesn't just take a single snapshot. Instead, NASA has equipped it with a sophisticated imaging system called MALI, the Mars Hand Lens Imager. This camera, attached to the rover's robotic arm, is capable of producing highly detailed close-ups of Martian rocks, soil, and even selfies of the rover itself. But here's the fascinating part. Creating one of those famous Curiosity selfies isn't as simple as clicking a button. NASA engineers explained that the process begins with the rover's arm making precise wrist motions and turret rotations. With every adjustment, MALI captures multiple component images from slightly different angles. Dozens of these pictures are then carefully stitched together back on Earth, eliminating the appearance of the rover's arm by overlapping the frames. The result? A seamless, almost artistic self-portrait that makes it look like Curiosity had its own professional photographer on Mars. This kind of technology not only demonstrates human ingenuity, but also reveals how much effort goes into making sure we get a complete view of the red planet. Each image is not just a photo, it's a piece of a larger puzzle. By analyzing shadows, rock textures, and mineral colorations, scientists can deduce the conditions that shaped these landscapes. Were they carved by ancient rivers, formed by volcanic activity, or sculpted by relentless winds across millions of years? Now let's zoom into Maria Gordon Notch, the rover's next big destination. Maria Gordon, after whom this feature is named, was a pioneering geologist who championed the study of Earth's mountain-building processes. Naming this notch after her is not only a tribute, but also a symbolic reminder of the parallels between Earth and Mars. The U-shape suggests erosional forces at clay, perhaps hinting at water activity in Mars's distant past. If Curiosity can analyze samples here, scientists might uncover fresh evidence of how liquid water once shaped Mars's surface, a discovery that directly ties into the question of whether Mars could ever have supported life. And speaking of life, let's circle back to Rafael Navarro Mountain. Navarro Gonzalez was deeply involved in Curiosity's sample analysis at Mars Instrument, which looked for organic compounds, the chemical building blocks of life. The fact that his name now graces this Martian feature is a reminder of how human curiosity and dedication transcend Earth itself. It's almost poetic. A scientist who searched for life on Mars now has his legacy etched into the Martian map. Beyond the technical and scientific value, there's also a very human side to these images. Each photograph, every rover selfie, becomes a bridge connecting us here on Earth to a world millions of kilometers away. It's as if Curiosity is not just exploring on its own, but carrying humanity's curiosity, our questions, and our desire to understand the cosmos along with it. Just imagine, a machine built by human hands is rolling across another planet, taking pictures of mountains and valleys, and sending them across the vast void of space, all so we can sit at home and marvel at landscapes we've never walked upon. That alone is worth celebrating. So, Sol 3034 isn't just another number in the mission timeline. It represents progress, a marker on a journey of exploration that continues to inspire millions. Curiosity's view of Greenhue Pediment, Rafael Navarro Mountain, and Maria Gordon Notch is more than a postcard from Mars. It's a reminder that exploration is ongoing, discoveries are waiting, and the red planet still has countless secrets to reveal. This is just one chapter in the epic story of Mars exploration, and here at All About Mars Surface, we'll continue to bring you the most captivating images, discoveries, and mysteries from NASA's rovers and beyond. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to stay updated with the red planet's secrets. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your curiosity alive.